Snapping off the hidden little shoots on your tomato plants is the ultimate cheat code for growing massive, juicy tomatoes this summer. If you want those giant, flavor-packed beefsteak or heirloom tomatoes that make your neighbors jealous, you have to stop letting your plants waste their energy. Those little shoots growing right in the joint between the main stem and the branches are called suckers. Pinch them off early. Getting rid of them forces the plant to push all its nutrients directly into growing the actual fruit instead of just making more useless leaves. But pruning is just one piece of the puzzle. The real magic starts in the dirt. Tomatoes are heavy feeders, and they love slightly acidic soil. Before you even put a plant in the ground, you need to load up your garden bed with compost to build a nutrient-rich foundation. Then comes the fertilizer trick that changes everything. When you first plant them, use a standard balanced fertilizer. But the exact second you see flowers starting to bloom, you need to switch it up. Hit them with a high potassium and phosphorus mix. That specific switch is what triggers the plant to blow up the size of the fruit. Watering is another area where people completely mess up. Stop spraying your plants from the top. Wet leaves just invite disease. You need to water deeply, right at the base of the plant, early in the morning. Give them about an inch or two a week, and throw down a thick layer of mulch to lock that moisture in the soil, so the roots never dry out. Make sure you support your plants with heavy-duty cages or stakes, so the stems do not snap under the weight of your giant harvest. And if bugs show up, skip the toxic sprays. Just plant some marigolds right next to your tomatoes to naturally repel the pests. When it is finally time to harvest, grab them the second they are fully colored and feel just slightly soft to the touch. Leaving them on the vine too long actually ruins that perfect homegrown flavor. Get them off the plant so it can focus on growing even more fruit for your next summer barbecue.